Here's how you can change your vehicle in the Uber Driver app. First, open the Uber Driver app and select your profile icon at bottom right corner. Now, scroll down and select the Earn by Driving or Delivering option. Next, tap your current region and vehicle at the top of the screen. This will open the details for the vehicle currently registered to your driver account. From here, select Change to begin updating your vehicle information. Uber will ask you to confirm that you want to change the vehicle before continuing. Next, enter the vehicle details requested by the app. In some regions, you won't be able to change the vehicle when there is only one option, such as bike. In that case, you won't be able to change the vehicle. After entering the required information, review the details to make sure everything is correct. Then, tap Continue to submit the vehicle change. Depending on your location and Uber's requirements, you may also be asked to provide additional documents or information before the new vehicle can be approved. That's all for this video. Thanks.